It's all 8 from the top. Choose your color. Cactus Canyon elimination race. Who wants it the most? The law out in front. Lots of racetrack left. Wrangler in the back. Ooh. Oh, and Wrangler can't get it done for race 1. Top 7. The law out in front again. Ooh, Ghost goes right. Check out the Rock Garden. Blondie in the back. Oh, never mind. Who am I kidding? It's Texas Red in the back. Lane 3, last chances. T-Red goes middle, snipes it, takes Blondie out of the race. Top 6. Ginger looking fast. Oh, T-Red in the back, but not by much. Last chance is lane 3. Oh, Ranger with a huge bounce. Ranger with a huge bounce. Can't do it. Top 5. Ginger out in front. Uh-oh, Outlaw in the back. Last chance, lane 3. Oh, couldn't find a window. Outlaw booted. Top 4. Who wants it the most? Oh, Ginger getting bullied at the start there. Let's see if Ginger can come back. Does. Ghost out in front. Nice line through the garden. Ginger in the back. Messing around. Last chance, Ginger. Oi. Can't get it done. Top 3. Texas Red, the Law, and Ghost. Who wants it the most? The Law way out in front. The Law still way out in front. Ghost definitely behind the pack. See what happens at the Rock Garden. If Ghost ever makes it to it. Oh, okay, pretty smooth. Catches up to T-Red. Oh, he potatoed Ghost. Dang. That's it for Ghost. Top 2, final race. Texas Red and the Law. Who wants it the most? Oh. The Law in the back. Texas Red with a nice lane. Oh, a nice line. Through the Rock Garden for Texas Red. Not looking good for the Law here at all. Texas Red gets potatoed. The Law goes. Can't do it. Texas Red with the win.